Holy crap. Oh my god, it's dark, Ashley. Oh my god, Ashley, where are we at? I think we should call Tyler.
Somebody.
Ah, there's a thorn. Shit. Talking mushrooms. Okay. 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 Hat. Okay. There's a big deal. Ew, it's fertile poop. That's fresh right there. That is fresh. You might find some cows. Ew, that's fresh fertile. Oh. Okay, tree. Oh. True mountain woman. Back. Oh! Fresh fertile again. We meet again. Okay. Oh, that's where the sack's at. I know where we're at now. Okay.
If we ever get chased by a murderer, I know where I'm hiding.
Okay, but a sack. Okay.
I'm hiding in there. Oh, crap.